Welcome back and welcome to Geometry Lesson 1.4 Skill 2. I'm going to help you review how to name an angle, and then we're going to classify angles. Okay, we'll only do 3 examples here. Example 1, how to find a right angle. This is the way you write right angle. We know right angle must be 90 degrees. We also know that right angle, it will give us a right angle symbol and something look like this. For example, we don't know this is a right angle or not. Of course, we can measure it, but if the diagram says this, you see this symbol, that means it's a right angle. For example, the symbol can also look like in this direction. All right, do we have a symbol look like this? Yes, that means we have a right angle. Now, we can call this right angle angle A, B, C. Since this part, this ray keep going on and on, I can also call angle A, B, D. I'm going to flip the order of this one. I'm going to call it angle CBA. Flip order of this one, angle DBA. Just wondering, any one of you were thinking about I can call this right angle angle B? Alright, please do not remember in the previous video we talked about if you only have one angle here, you can use this method, which is called use the vertex to name the angle. But obviously we have more than angle here. Therefore, see more than angle right here. Therefore, do not use the one point to name this angle. Alright, we finished naming angle 90 degree right angle. Let us look at an acute angle. Remember, acute angle has to be between this range, right? 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, we have a few examples. We'll only do one. I'm looking at this one, this angle. Okay, so because this is standing by itself, I can call it angle E. I can also use 3 letters, angle B, E, D. I hope you're following that. You can use your mouse to point it if you want to. Oh, that's angle bad. Good. And then I can flip the order. I can say angle DEB. That is the acute angle. All right, we have one more example. We will be done with this skill. We are going to find a straight angle. Straight angle has to be 180 degrees, so it's a straight line. What do you see? I'm looking at angle DCB, okay? Angle DCB. I'm going to flip the order. I can see angle BCD. Alright, we still have lots of amazing angles here for you to practice. I hope you are going to continue finish this exercise. Find obtuse, acute, straight angles and then name them. That's it. Happy learning.